Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off Redmi mobile app lock setting. Friends, you don't want to use Redmi mobile app lock setting, you want to turn off app lock, you want to remove app lock password in Redmi mobile. So friends, now let's see how to remove app lock password, how to turn off Redmi mobile app lock password. One by one we will talk about. First of all guys, turn on your mobile setting. After turn on phone setting, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. How to turn off app lock. First of all guys, we will select your app setting. Last option app lock we will tap. Friends, you want to forget your app lock pattern and you want to forget your app lock password. If you tap here, so friends, you can see this type interface. You will have to erase all data. If you forget your password, you want to unlock app lock settings, so tap here erase all data option. You will have to erase all data, then you can use your app unlock setting, app lock unlock setting. So friends, I don't want to erase all data because I know my password. So friends, after enter your app lock password, you can check how many app you have locked and how many app is unlocked. Friends, you can see 58 app are unlocked, 12 app locked. Gallery app you want to unlock. So first of all guys, we will unlock all application. We will not save any app lock data. All app will unlock. So friends, you can use your all application without app lock password. But friends, you have your app lock password. When you want to use app lock setting, if you enter your password, so you want to lock any app, so you can lock. Friends, you can see I have total 17 apps, but they are unlocked. And you want to lock any app, so friends, right tap here, you can lock app. So friends, I don't want to use app lock setting, and you also don't want to use, and you want to remove your app lock password, so tap here setting icon, app lock off setting you want to use, so tap here turn off option, okay option, app lock will off. If you tap here, you will have to turn on your app lock. Again you want to use, select your password type, then you can start app lock setting in your Redmi mobile and you can use it. So like that friends, you can off app lock. Friends, you can see when I will tap on Play Store and Gallery app, friends, you can see app are unlocked. As you can see, map app is unlocked. Play Store app is unlocked. WhatsApp app is unlocked. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile app lock setting. You can turn off app lock and you can remove your app lock password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.